I think it depends a bit on where you're coming from. SAS was, they sort of invented, in my opinion, the whole area, right? We called it data mining, advanced analytics, whatever. And they have been there, for 30 years around, more even. They introduced it, it's a nice toolkit. However, the open source community has surpassed them, in my opinion. And it's just reality that I think each and every bank will have SAS there. Each and every enterprise will have it to a certain extent. And now the question is, what are you going to do with it? Are you going to let SAS be the technology to continue on? Or is it the time to introduce open source technologies? Well, in my opinion, that time has arrived already for a couple of years. You know, we got languages like R, which was really based and built by people that know SAS very well. You find all those sorts of constructs in there. But it's not the language, it's the extension of the libraries and the development over there that allow you to do so much more. And you know, one of the easy examples is try to do a face recognition in SAS. You know, it is not there. They are not able, as a proprietary company, to follow up. That doesn't mean that the SAS code that you might still have running need to be replaced, right? It's, in my opinion, it's going to be coexisting. But I cannot imagine that if you recruit somebody from university that has either R or Python skills in any deep level, that you're going to send them to a SAS training. That's just a waste of money. Next to the amount they charge you, I believe, is a little bit is completely different than what you'll get out of the open source community. So I would think it's coexisting. SAS has nice technologies in fraud. They have solutions instead of an algorithm. So there are, you know, really use cases where it's really good. If you have them, don't throw them away yet. But as you all rightfully said, data science is not something you can buy, not as a function in the clouds, also not as a product. It's something that is really specific to the type of business. You know, one of the examples that I have is also in telecommunication, making churn predictions. And you think that every telecom is sort of the same. Well, trust me, each and every country, each and every region has completely different churning characteristics. So even though you know telco, even though you know the subscription model, as soon as you move to another country, the attributes making you the prediction will give you completely different indications. So data science and applying it in the right way is something that indeed you need all the business knowledge. You cannot buy it off the shelf, nor you can buy it as a product. And then as a product, as a technology, I'm totally convinced that open source is the way forward. And SAS or some others that are not leveraging everything that the open source community is currently bringing, they are not able to follow up. So that's my opinion.